So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is another project we started last week. So what we're doing on this project is we're brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. We're also doing quite a lot of stone restoration on here. So what we're doing is removing all of the old paint off all of the stonework. We're going to be restoring all of the stonework underneath the paint and then repainting all of the stonework. Been a lot of defect stone actually falling down off the top of this property, so we've had to get it really quick. Get this fixed for the customer, make sure everything's safe, no more stone dropping. So as you can see, lots of the original bath stone literally crumbling away, big chunks falling off. So we're going to be restoring all of this, getting all this pinned back, making sure everything's nice and secure and safe for the customer. Cutting out, replacing all of the damaged bricks. Then either tuck pointing this or going for a penny roll finish on the front facade. Also doing the whole back of the house too as well. So another big job underway. Going to be a lovely transformation when this is finished for the customer. Plenty to be getting on with, so we'll keep you updated progress on this one and show you some more progress in the next week or so. So down here on our Brockley project, paint stripping all of the paint off all of the original bath stone, and unfortunately most of this stonework's been gone over with a cement based render, not allowing the stonework to breathe, and as you can see this is the result of using the wrong materials on period properties. So yeah, cement based fillers, renders on original bath stone. I mean, look how badly this is eroded now. Unbelievable. Just a little video of the importance of using the correct materials on the correct properties. As you can see on this property we have got a lot of stone to replace now. So the customer's looking at replacing all of this bath stone with new stone all the way through, all of the coping stones, window sills. Massive project. So just a little video just to making people aware of how important it is to use breathable materials, because as you can see everything now is completely rotten away. So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is just a little update video of our restoration project we're currently working on. So what we've done so far is we've removed all of the old cement mortar from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. We've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We've also started the paint stripping of all of the stonework. So as you can see, so much defect stone on this property due to so much cement repairs in the past, causing all of the stonework to just basically fail and perish. So what we're doing is we're going to literally be replacing all of this stone with brand new bath stone. So taking out all of this stone and replacing it in situ with basically stonework, all new stone moulds, going all the way through this whole property, taking everything back to natural stone so it's never got to be painted again. As you can see again, so much defect stone, all this has got to be replaced, so I'm gonna have to prop up all of this brickwork, taking out sections of stone, replacing all of that, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. I'm just going to show you upstairs. We've also taken off all of the window reveals, so we're going to be rendering nice new reveals all around the insides of the windows. Show you upstairs. So same again upstairs. Going to be taking out all of these sections of stone, replacing all that section of stone. All of this section of stonework, going to be cutting out, replacing this, new indents going all the way through here. Top of the gable. The customer wants everything perfect on this job. He knows exactly what he wants. He's seen our work and wants it exactly perfect how we get it. So all of these copings, these are all blown, so we're going to be replacing all these copings in natural stone. So basically what we're going to have to do is to pretty much take down this gable, rebuild this, put all new copings in. Massive job this one. We're also doing all the work on the back of the property, so yeah, everything's completely blown on this job. Then we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in a penny roll finish, Customers also now looking at possibly replacing the windows. So if any good sash window companies that follow me, get in touch, because customers looking for new windows now to be inserted all the way on this project. So yeah, massive job this one. It's going to look absolutely amazing once we transform it back to its former glory. So we'll keep you updated. Everything's going in the next couple of weeks. Probably going to take a good 3 to 4 weeks to get all this stone made, and then come back, take down all of the brickwork, and reinstate all this natural stone. So once again, another project being finished to the highest standard as always. Once again, lots of inquiries on this street for other clients looking to do the same sort of thing. So all going really well, and we'll keep you updated in the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is a project we started back end of summer last year. We're back on site now. Been waiting for all of the new stone to be made, which has taken a little bit longer than expected. So what we're doing on this project is basically taking all of the old defect stone out, replacing it all with new stone. As you can see now, all this section of stone, all the indents, all the string moulds all been put in. We've taken down this section of brickwork, rebuilt all this so it's all nice and plumb. All our keystones all been going through, taking out all of the window heads, all going back in new stone, as you can see here. So all the new stone going all the way through here. Lads are doing an amazing job, looking fantastic already. So rebuilt all of that gable, all of the stone going through here. All of the stone bands are all going to be restored. Taking out the window sills, they're all going to be new stone. So I'll just take you upstairs and show you what the lads have been doing upstairs as well. So all of this stone, as you can see, just deteriorated over time. So all of this stone all going to be replaced all the way through here. All of the coping stones, next lift up, all of the coping stones on the top here. So we're going to be replacing all of the coping stones. Got all of the stone up here, so massive job this one. Another piece of challenging work. Lads are doing a real nice job fitting all of the stones, as you can see. All the new stones all being made. All of the string course all the way through is going to be all replaced. Then it's going to obviously all be repointed as well, so that's a massive job on its own for the repointing. So we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar, penny roll finish as well. So lads have been here for a couple of weeks now, getting back on the stonework. Customers are really happy with everything that we're doing so far. So going to be a real transformation this once all of the new stone is all being put in. Hopefully get that all of the stone put in hopefully by the end of next week. Get all of the brickwork tied in, and then basically start all the repointing in a couple of weeks time. But so far so good, and another job being finished to the highest standard as always. So if you like the look of this project, or you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So down here in Brockley, this is just an update video of our project we've been currently working on for the last 12 weeks. Really big project this one, so I'm just going to give you a briefing of what we've done on this project so far. So we've brick cleaned all the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. And what we've done on this project is replaced every single piece of stone on the front of this property. So as you can see, new stone gone in throughout the whole project. New coping stones all of the way through here, all new heads all of the way through here, string band course all been renewed, all new window sills the whole way through. As you can see, the lads have started the pointing now, the penny roll pointing all the way through. So really big job, this one. Like I say, every single piece of stone's been renewed. Lads have been working here since the first week in January, so massive job. All of the window heads all been replaced, all of the stone pointing, all of the gable at the top. I've actually taken down and rebuilt this whole gable, but as you can see how beautiful it's all coming together now. Lads have done an amazing job on this, working really hard, the lads. All of the coping stones all of the way through here. As you can see how beautiful it's all coming together now. Looks really good. Still quite a lot of work left to do. Looking at now doing the chimney stacks for the customer, the parapet walls once all cleaned and repointed, all the soldiericals, brick on edge. Just absolutely massive transformation, this one. Such a challenging piece of work, this. Everything had to be propped up, taken down bit by bit and rebuilt. Real challenging piece of work, this. But the results so far are looking amazing. I'm just going to take you downstairs and show you a bit more downstairs. I've actually taken a small gable down above the front door and we've rebuilt that. I'll show you that now. As you can see, lads are carrying on with the pointing now. All this has been replaced, taken down this section of brickwork, rebuilt this gable, all of the copings through here. Everything looking absolutely first class. We've restored all of the arch underneath as well. That's all been taken back to natural stone. Still got some more bits and pieces to do downstairs. So, like I say, look at the detail and the quality of the work the lads are doing. Absolutely brilliant. So, hopefully by the end of the week we'll have all the pointing done and see what extras the customer wants to do. Maybe possibly taking off this plinth and renewing the plinth. Got the bases to restore, all new window sills still gone in, so looking absolutely beautiful transformation. So like I say, 12 weeks so far on this project, but the results are all coming together now. So if you do like the look of this project, if you've got any questions, I'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Brockley in South East London. This is our brick and stone restoration project all completed now. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what we've done on this project. So we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in a penny roll finish. So as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork. What else we've done on this project? It's a really big project, this one, taking around about 3 months work to do, complete this. Put a new plinth on the base of the property, so taking the old plinth off, put a new plinth on the base of the property. We've restored the bases on the piers there, so they've been restored. New stone window sills and a new string band going all the way through the ground floor and the window sills. A bit of rendering work on the base of the property there. What else we did was we took every single piece of stone on this project was replaced. Customer had real bad problems with all of the stone work, so I'm just going to run down everything that we've done. So the main arch here, stripped all of the old paint off the arch, taking it all back to natural stone. Taken down this gable here and rebuilt that. New stone string course and headers all the way through on this gable. New keystones, new coping stones being replaced all the way through there. Like I say, taken down and rebuilt this gable. New window heads being replaced all the way through on here. So as you can see, nice new bath stone window heads. Next level, same again, new stone all the way through, new window sills all the way through, all taken back to natural stone. New keystone gone in there as well, so that's all back in natural bath stone. As we go further up, also done new UPVC windows for the customer on here, so they've all been replaced, all new UPVC slash look like windows. Window heads all been replaced in natural stone. So literally every single piece of this stone, the old stone was taken out and replaced. Everything was propped up, everything was rebuilt. Massive project. As you can see, the detail in all of the stone everywhere looks absolutely beautiful. The penny roll pointing looks great alongside it. Up on the top lift, same again. I've actually had to take this gable down and rebuilt the gable. Lads have done an amazing job on this, by the way. They worked blood, sweat and tears to do this job. It was absolutely such a big piece, challenging piece of work. So the gable's been rebuilt, all new coping stones, keystone all the way through there in bath stone. Like I say, this whole gable had to come down and rebuilt, so that's all been taken down and rebuilt. Parapet walls, we've also done the whole back of this house as well. Coping stones, new lead work all along the roof. Looks absolutely brilliant, finishes that off really well. Parapet walls been done, we've repointed all of the chimney stacks, no cleaning or anything on the chimney stacks. We've also done the back of the property as well, so all of the cleaning on the back of the house has all been done and repointed. But this project looks absolutely fantastic now it's all finished. Like I say, lads done such a good job on this. It's such a hard project to do. Everything had to be taken down section by section and rebuilt. It was a very challenging job. Customers are absolutely over the moon with the project. So we finally got there in the end, and it looks absolutely incredible. So this is probably one of our best projects to date. Like I say, it's around about 16-week project. In all, hundreds of bricks to be replaced, all of the stone taken down and replaced, but all of the bath stone looks really good. Really nice finish now. Customer's never going to have to do any maintenance to this again. So like I say, all new windows have gone in. I don't think there's anything we haven't done on this project. Every single thing's been restored. So yeah, finally got there in the end. Just waiting for the scaffolding to come down now, get that booked in to come down, and everything else is all buttoned up and restored. So like I say, it's all been done in natural lime mortar, nice breathable for the customer. I'm just going to show you a bit more downstairs on the inside of the round by the front door as well. So it was this house was repointed at the back end of last summer by another company. Customer really didn't like the look of it, so got us in to restore it all properly. So we've done all of the inside of the porch. This was a different colour brick, so that's all been taken back to the original colour of the brickwork. All of the inside of the archwork's all been restored, all back to natural stone, also obviously stone pointed as well. You can see the detail everywhere is just spot on. So big props to the lads, done an amazing job on this. Looks really good. Just getting it signed off by the customer now, and once again another project finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.